กินหมดเกลี้ยงเลย
Action.
กินหมดเกลี้ยงเลยใช่ไม่ทิ้งเลยกินหมด
Okay,
Did you record?
yeah, started already.
I'll later.
Okay, good afternoon, everyone.
นี่
How are you doing? Good?
Yes.
Yeah. How's everything? Good?
Good.
Good. Okay. So last class we focused about the graph of trigonometric function. Today we'll do equations. We'll start with simple ones. So our objectives for today is
สีออกไปถือว่าสองออก
solve equations. Okay. And
Use this pen.
use. Okay. Hold on. Use. Why?
I think it's the lighting from the front.
Yeah. It's no. It's like the markers.
Maybe we see better.
The new patch of markers are bad. Use unit circle to solve the equation. To solve trigonometric equation.
Mr. Ibrahim,
Okay.
can you rewrite the first two one?
Oh,
I
okay.
can't see it.
Okay. So solve.
You don't need to write that down, that's just objectives.
Solve trigonometric equation. We'll focus on simple one. Later it's gonna be a bit complex when we study the identity later. Okay, do you remember the unit circle though? What do you remember about unit circle?
It's a circle.
Mm-hmm. And? Really? It's a circle. Okay, thank you. What else? Okay, where do it start from?
0.
0. Which one?
That's
1, 2,
this one.
3, 4.
1.
1 at 1, okay. So one start at 0. This one is pi over 2 or 90. And this one? Pi or 180 or? This one? 270, 3 pi over 2. And then come back to be 2 pi full circle. Okay. Let's start with easy equation. So if I have cosine x equal to 1 over 2. How could I solve that one? Safna, how could I solve that one? If I have cosine equal to 1 over 2. Which cosine, so all the time, I'll focus on, I got a cosine, I want to make a cosine on the other side. Which cosine equal to 1 over 2? Do you remember the table?
30 of
Do you remember the table? 30, 45, 50, right?
It's pi
30,
over
45, 50, 16.
45.
45 is 1 over 2? Are you sure?
No,
Sine
sine
60. Cos 60.
It's 60.
And 3, 2, 1, right? So it's going to be 60. Okay. So cosine x is going to equal to cosine 60, right? Okay. Now, how many angles also I have like 60? So 60 gonna be positive 1 over 2. On the unit circle, where can I have also positive for cosine? Which part for cosine is positive?
4.
So quadrants 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Which one also cosine is positive?
4.
Cosine here. Cosine is positive in this part, right? All students take coffee or take calculus, okay? So here 4 cosine is gonna be positive. Okay, what's the angle also which equivalent to cosine? Do you remember?
Oh.
Do you remember in Q4 what do I 2 pi minus the angle, right? So 2 pi minus 60 here. So what the answer is gonna be?
180.
Here 2 pi is 360 minus 60, so the answer is gonna be 300. So I have two answers for cosine x. Whether it's gonna be 60 or cosine 300, right? Okay? Again, 1 over 2 positive. Which one is it? It's cosine 60. I said since it's positive, I have two values for positive 1 over 2. Here one, and the other one is here because cosine is positive in this part. If I have negative 1 over 2, if I have negative 1 over 2, it will be in 2 and 3. Because those part, cosine is negative here. Clear? Okay. So that means x equal to 60 or equal to 30. We will end up here. There's a continue, but now we'll focus only to reach to this step. Okay? Does it make sense?
Joe, why 30?
Yeah, right.
Not 300, 300. Okay, 300, sorry, I skipped 0. Okay, I missed the 0. Clear? Okay, now could you try to solve this? Sine x equal to negative root 2 over 2.
45.
It's sine 45.
Okay, here I have a negative though. So I want you to focus on finding which angles are gonna be for the negative root 2 over 2.
3 and 4.
For sine? 3 and 4. Okay, sine is going to be negative in 3 and 4. Okay, correct. What about this one? How much is going to be? So this angle, so first, let's write it as sine 45. So the angle is 45, right? For this number only, right? And here we have negative sine 45.
Sorry for translating.
So for negative sine 45, how much is it going to be in 3 and 4? Do you remember this rule?
90.
Q4. And Q4, how can I find the
135.
co-function?
2 pi.
2 pi
Minus 45.
minus 45. 2 pi is 360. So 360 minus 45 is going to be 315, right? What about the third quadrant? So this is Q4.
Pi plus.
What about Q3?
Pi
Pi
plus.
Pi plus 45. So 180 plus 45 is going to be 225. So the answer for root 2 over 2, so x equal to 315 or 225 degrees. Make sense? Ciao. Any question?
Why we should subtract 45 and then 180 or something?
Here, right?
The third one. Yeah, the one.
Here. Because I said like when here I have sign, right? And I have negative. When sign is negative here, in the unit circle, what is it negative?
34.
In third and fourth. In third, do you remember I said pi plus, right? To find that co-function angle. And for here, I do 2 pi minus to find the angle. That's why I did it for, this is for third, and this is for the fourth. That's why I plus here, because I want to find the co-angle, which is negative value. Okay? Make sense? A bit harder.
Just it can be 225 or 315.
Sorry.
So it can be 225 or 315.
So yeah, we have two answers here. So it can be 315 or it can be 225. Because those two values, if I change them, so if I say sine 315 is going to be negative root 2 over 2. If I say sine 225 is going to be negative root 2 over 2. Okay? So if I want to check the answer, if I write sine 315 is going to be negative root 2 over 2. Or if I write sine 225 it's going to be negative root 2 over 2. Both of them are going to be the same answer. Okay? Because do you remember, it's their co-function. I have the same angle. It's only the sign will change. Do you remember when I say like 60 here, or pi over 3? and then I move it to the other side here, I plus. I said it's the same value when I draw the points here. Remember that, yeah? Or if you want, you can apply it also to the function itself. Now I have sine, right? Sine starts from where? 0 or 1?
1, 0,
Again,
0,
0, 1,
0.
0. Okay. So, for example, let's say I have root negative to root 2 over 2. So this is the point actually. So this is negative root 2 over 2. How many answers I have if I want to extend? In one cycle, I will have 2 answers. I have this point and I will have this point, right? That's why I have 2 answers. Okay? If I have positive answer, for example, let's say if I have 1 over 2. So I cannot apply first example because it's cosine. Let's say I have 1 over 2. How many answers do I have? I have 2 answers as well. Okay. Okay, go. Clear?
Where are you going, Hassan?
Running wrong.
Okay. Back. Now your turn. Okay.
Let me see.
Okay, let's start.
Okay.
I think I'll change it. I'll make it cosine. Sine. Okay. For sine x equal to negative 2. Try to solve it. Start. Yeah, correct. Yes. Yeah, correct. Now can you cut that? And then what is like trying to divide by 2 plus right? Can you divide by 2? So I have 1 over negative 1 over 2. Okay. Now what is sine of 1 over 2? No. Yeah, correct.
Is it this one?
What is the angle here? For sine, what would have? Yeah.
Recording?
Okay, correct. Correct, yeah, continue.
Now,
What is the sine of half? Like which sine equal to half? From the table here.
16.
Hey, 30, 45, 60, which one?
45.
30.
What sign?
The formula booklet, you will not have the table. You have to memorize how to make it. Okay.
30.
For your final exam, I will provide only the formula booklet of IB. Okay.
The calculator is allowed, right?
It's allowed. Calculator is allowed.
Teacher, can we see like which formulas works?
Later. Okay, done?
Is it like this? Is it correct?
Okay.
How much did you get for the how much did you get for the chemistry papers? For the 20, I got 7.
Okay. Start.
For the 9, I got 9. And for the 12, I got 11. Oh, you did it. I got 1.
Okay. Back.
Okay.
What should I do here?
Move. 4.
How?
Divide.
Divide by 4 both sides. So sine x equal to negative half, right? Okay. Which angle is equal? Which sine of an angle equal to half? Which sine?
30.
30. So I can say sine 30 equal to half. But here I have also negative half. So which angle is the co-function with that?
Q3 and 4.
So actually this one is not 100% accurate, okay? But we know, okay, we need 30 to find in quadrants. Now, when sine is negative? When is sine negative?
Quadrant 3 and 4.
Quadrant, which quadrant?
3 and 4.
3 and 4. Okay. What are the formulas I can apply? Q3. How can I do it? Pi plus
Plus angle.
30, right? So it's going to be 210. Okay? And in quadrant 4, what is the angle here? It's 2 pi minus 30, or minus the angle, which is 360 minus 30 is going to be 330. Okay? Now I'll go back to that equation. So this one is not 100% accurate, okay? We need to find it so we can apply it again. So sine x equal to sine 210, or sine x equal to 330. So x equal to sine 330, sorry. Sine 330. So that means x equal to 210, or x equal to 330. Clear? Okay? So for now, we're studying only for one period. Later, we'll study for more than one period. So it's gonna become, we will have maybe 5 or 6 answers. Now we have only 2 answers in one period. Okay? Okay. Now I'll have worksheet. Yep. Okay. Hold on. Okay, the first 2 questions, do it with your friends, and the last 2, do it on your own, individual. So do the first page only. So the first 2 do it yourself now, the second 2 on your own. Excited? Not you. No, where's me?
Have a very good day.
Only English. In every question they give you a hint. You can read it. There's a hint. So you could use it. So the hint is for solving the equation itself. Like simplifying it. What?
Only one and two, right?
Yeah. With Sapna 1 and 2. 3 and 4 on your own.
You can write that one against the
The table.
we are the board.
Okay. 30, 45, 60. Sine, cosine, tan. 1, 2, 3. 3, 2, 1. And everything divided by 2. And then 1 root 3, then 1 and root 3. That's all. And root the numbers.
Sure. Do we add?
This is the table you had it before.
Teacher, do we add the cost?
Yeah. So they have
One cost.
collect like this. Yeah. So this equation you consider sine or cosine like x. Yeah. Two. You do compare with this one, always the first one.
ดังนั้นที่ทำเลขอะไรที่มันตอบกันมาได้ตอนช่วยเวิร์กอะ
What works like sine 2? What does that mean?
That's right. Okay. Okay. That's not square here. Okay. We'll do it like that.
Okay, what does that do?
It's not time to square. Then how to get? Okay, make sine square alone.
Both sides?
Make
okay.
the first sine square alone.
มันก็เลยต้อง
Then how? Okay.
อ๋อถ้าคุณสั่งไม่ได้สูงเนี่ยว่าคุณมันเหมือนเนี่ยแล้วมาคูณเนี่ย
Is this? Yeah. Actually, we're gonna have 4 x's here. Well, actually, it's like that's correct, but it's positive, negative. Do you remember when you ruled both sides? So here we
เรื่องเขาไปแล้วคือ
positive, negative. Do you remember when I have, for example, x squared equal to when you ruled? You have x equal positive 3 or negative.
So this is how I make answers.
So you have here 4 answers.
Okay.
Mr. Ibrahim?
Yeah.
Just let me know as soon as this.
Okay, it's correct.
But I need money at home, correct?
Yes.
Okay, so.
So
Oh, you don't have
I wrote on the board like the table.
Is it, I can't see that little from here.
ไม่คูณไปแล้วไงมันได้สูงยังไง
Ladies,
อ๋อมันย้ายฝั่งมันย้ายฝั่ง
โอ้ครับโอ้ยนี่สิ
I think it's full of stuff. Because I can't see. Let me get my better phone actually.
What are some topics?
Oh, my money. Thank you.
Unit 1, unit 2 acids?
yes.
I mean, so this for mathematics.
2 cos x.
Yeah,
So
correct.
what can I just cancel it out and then only 1 cos x?
What do you want to
Actually,
cancel?
the second question is for answer, right?
No, cannot. Because it's like x. You cannot cancel x and x. You move it to the other side and plus
So
x. So this is like x, negative x
Oh my
and
god,
x.
we cancel it.
What do you mean? What do you mean?
We can cancel.
Okay. What do you mean?
We cancel only when it's
Now for cosine, I cannot cancel. Usually when you solve the equation, can you cancel x? No. we can minus it. We cannot like cancel them with division. For example.
every year
10 ละ30ของ
So yeah, for sure. Because sometimes we will have answer at zero, so we cannot cancel.
Negative 30 degrees or no?
So right now, which quadrant should we find?
It depends. What do you have?
Because
The
it's positive.
positive or negative?
And it's also
Negative. Okay. Where is cosine negative?
30 degrees.
In which part? Which quadrant? Q. Cosine, right? Cosine where is it? In 2, right? So 2.
If like negative, find the only negative.
Yeah, depends on negative. Yeah. With find where. Okay, I have cosine, for example, this equation. So I will look where cosine is negative in which part. In the example I did on the board, I have sine, not cosine. So I asked which quadrant sine is negative. I said 3 and I circle using the circle. Circle number 3 and circle number 4.
common factor.
So that's
Only
it.
do only 2 or but there
Yeah, we'll have to answer every time. We'll have to answer at least.
And what are the
We'll study that later. Not only this one, yes.
ศูนย์ก็ต้องเป็นศูนย์นะคอส
We're just a side.
Yeah, I think it costs something.
Okay. You got the part there though.
Cost sign this one. Oh, cost sign this one. Yeah.
Okay.
Alright.
Okay, we have squared, right? You root. When you root the 2 as well. The 4th. So the root is for all of them, for 3 and 4. Root of 3 is root 3. Root of 4 is.
Oh, sorry.
So what is? And I will have positive negative. That's your answers. You remember, for example, we have x squared equal to 9. We will try to root what cancel. Positive and negative equal. So it's this positive and negative. So here I will have all the quadrants. Okay? So this is my definition. If you need any help, raise your hand.
Me too, Jeremy. I need help.
Okay.
That's correct.
Yes. Why are you starting here? So let's start with this. Start with that.
You put it that way, so I was.
Oh, sorry.
No, that.
Almost finished still one more question. Okay.
Finish it and then you're free to go.
Go wherever we're going.
Free to go, like you have free time. Free.
Go home.
I'll have free.
Really deserve. Oh my
No.
gosh.
Whatever you say, you can.
Okay, no.
So you submit some today.
Here, wait, on the first page.
Yeah, only first page.
Oh, okay.
Great.
Yeah.
Free to go, let's go.
Speak a little bit. Okay.
Very funny.
I remember you and Adam were there last year.
Can I borrow your I need to borrow your calculator for that.
Did you okay, come here.
Okay.
You came over. You almost finished your angle.
Yeah, also like a friend.
Sure, how about the USB?
No, like we don't have. Okay, it's
Oh,
three.
yeah,
It's
okay.
three. Root 3. Just root 3. The same number. Move it to the other side. Here is positive, right?
There you go, friend.
Move it to the other side. Become a negative. Okay. That's it.
This as well as this, correct?
Yeah. So now this is correct. I want to get rid of the 2. What should I do?
Joe, what's the Q1 formula?
Yes. That's it. Sorry.
Quadrant 1 formula.
We don't have formula for quadrant 1.
So what's
Did
the
you
right?
dare?
So
We use
what do
2
you
and
have the
3.
answer here? So it's actually the angle. I find.
Negative plus.
60.
Okay.
2 and 3?
Quadrant 1 is like we don't have formula. So root 3 over 2, right? What is root 3 over 2?
Okay, one.
It's going to be positive for 100%.
I'm done.
Okay, what is root 3 over 2?
It's
And for sine.
30.
For sine.
30.
For sine.
Oh, 60.
60. So
Let's
just
put
60. You
quadrant
don't have to
2
worry
again.
about that. Yeah.
Teacher,
Yeah.
quadrant 2.
Wait.
Quadrant 2 from the.
Quadrant 2. Pi minus
Yes.
This is correct. It's correct. Now the negative. That's why I explained. Now cosine negative. Where and when is cosine negative? In which part? Which quadrant? Look at the circle.
All students. So, take calculus.
Uh-huh.
It goes like this, right?
From 1, 2, 3.
Like,
Oh.
4.
4 is gonna be negative. Okay. And in which part as well?
No, 4 is going to be positive.
Uh-huh. So which part cosine is negative? 4 is positive. Yes.
2 and 3.
2 and 3. Okay. So 2 and 3. Do you remember about like that part? I wrote like Q3 and Q4 and Q2.
Here.
Those formulas were right there before.
Are those given in exam?
No. I'll give you
Okay,
like
no
a
one
booklet.
is.
So it's gonna be pi minus the angle of theta and 3 pi plus theta for Q3 and Q4 2 pi minus theta. Yeah?
Oh, I'm shady.
Okay.
He's supposed to have
Excellent.
I'm gonna go now.
We look at this together or
Yeah, we did it together.
Sorry. Okay, excellent. Here you did not finish it though. Okay, this is correct.
But no, you didn't
You
take
find
out
the
my
sign,
time.
it's not find the theta.
Come on.
Okay, yeah.
Sure. 30. 30.
And sine is going to be positive in two quadrants, right?
Can you go your back? I'll put it.
One quadrant is correct, yes. 30 and
Teacher.
นี่แค่แบ่งอันนี้คอร์สเราสูงกับอันนี้ถ้าเราสูงรู้สึกว่าไม่เหมือนกัน
so
เรียกอันนี้เรียกอันนี้
Okay.
so cos equals 0 is equal to 0
yeah.
and then finally sine
We find both of them. So
but one of it cost
so here cosine equal to 0. Okay, so when is cosine equal to 0? When does cosine equal to 0? Do you remember like what those points? Do you remember when I plot those points? When is cosine 0? Which axis is for cosine? Okay. This axis or that axis? Cosine for cosine. Which line is for cosine?
this
Okay,
this
x-axis, and this one is gonna be for sine, right? Okay, when is cosine 0?
when
When is x equal to 0 on this line, right?
okay
Okay. When does cosine equal to 0? At this point, right? Okay. How much is like cosine now? So when I said cosine equal to 0, that means it's equal, the angle should be pi over 2 or 3 pi over 2. So theta.
oh
Oh, sorry.
Should I put Dua's information and Dua's time and value?
Thank you.
A picture of it, and send it to you. I push.
I low-key, I think I answered low-key wrong. Yeah, I'm not sure about low-key.
Teacher.
Yeah.
พอใช้วันก็ต่ออันนี้เลย
ความจริงก็ต้องหาที่เป็นบทรูปก็ต้องหาเป็นคอน4 ว่าไซน์ก็คือไซน์เอ้ย
Okay, do you remember
ข้อ
factor?
สามไซน์เนาะ
อะไร
Okay,
นี่ต้องหา
can
สอง
I?
ดิต้องเอา
So for example,
อะไรด้วยอะไร
like here I have a time, you cannot separate them.
ตรงไหนอ่ะ
So I will write it the same. 2 cosine
พี่ทำยังไงอ่ะตอนแรก
theta sine
รอบสาม
theta.
แล้วก็
I will move
แล้ว
this
ก็
one
ก็สิบ
aside
สอง
and
สิบ
become
ของแล้วคือไอแบ่งเป็นสองส่วน เป็น factorization
what is factor? What's the same in this part and this side and this side? Cosine. I can't factor cosine out. What's left? I have multiplication between them, right? So cosine theta equal to 0 or
แล้วมัน
2 sine
คือการจำทั้งหมดที่เรียนมารวมอยู่เท่ากัน
you need to solve.
ไอ้ข้อสี่อะนะ
Wait.
ก็คือข้อละติดของพัน
ใช่
งงมากเลยอยู่ค่ะเขาถ่ายมันเป็นประเด็นของประเด็น
What is cosine 0? Yeah, I saw the word. Like, when this is, okay, everyone have a look. For cosine equal to 0, this is like cosine for the x-axis, right? Okay, I said, when is x equal to 0? So let's consider this x-axis. When does x equal to 0? When x equals 0?
when it's in 90 maybe
When x on this line, when x on that line is gonna be 0. So cosine is gonna be 0 at this line. Cosine will be 0, equal to 0 at this line. So it will be equal to 0 when pi over 2 or when 3 pi over 2. Okay? So cosine equals 0 when pi over 2 or 3 pi over 2.
I sent it to you
Yep.
correct
I hate it what the hell I sent it to you
Language, please.
I'm sorry
Are you guys trying to book something?
I'm trying to get a refund
Oh, really? Oh,
It's
no.
expired actually
That's dumb.
right
Like,
come on
Workplace.
กูไปไหนอ่ะ
oh, sorry.
I don't have this
Okay, this is correct. This one is not finished yet.
Oh, and this one.
This one I need to find like 4 parts. Like,
Oh, like plus and minus.
does it have plus and have
This
minus?
one, am I correct?
ตก
Yes, correct. That's it. So you have this answer and this answer. Sine equal, okay, half and sine equal to 1. Right? Sine equal to 1, sine equal to 1. Okay, but sine equal to half. It's going to be 5 versus 5 over 6. So this one equal to, so it's 5 versus. Okay, this one correct. Good. Good.
พี่วันเพิ่ม
you figure it out
เอาสนุกมากเลย
Okay.
let me ask you one last one okay so mad you're basically eating fried burger about
ไป
that
ชุดเชี่ย
like when did I move
ไปทำต่อแล้วกันนะเรียน
สู้ๆนะ
ไปทำ
But
เอง
all we're doing the plan, right?
And the Well, how do you get a
จะ
four?
จะบอกว่าแบบ
Okay.
ที่ไหนอยากไปอ่ะ
We cannot divide this
ก็เลย
out.
if you want to add
And here what I want to do, I want to factor. I'll do cosine.
So the reason is separated from both x minus 1 and that is.
Are you done?
เพราะว่าเซนของเราก็ไม่ได้มีอะไรทำเยอะขนาดนั้น
Where did the tree go?
ก็เลยแบบว่าจะไม่ไป
No, what is the same? Term 1, term 2. It's cosine, right? What's left? Sine.
How about I lose the tree?
Here you cannot divide because leaving this is 0. You cannot divide by 0. There's no so just like that. And now I have to answer cosine theta equal to 0. Find the answer.
ดิสนีย์
Theta
ซี
or
เปิดแปดโมงครึ่งใช่ปะไอ้เล่นกันแปดโมงครึ่ง
sine theta minus 1.
It was all that way.
Move the other side and divide by 0. No, find the theta. Find the angle.
แต่ถ้าเป็นลมอ่ะอยู่อย่างเงี้ย
Okay.
จำเลยอยู่กับแม่สองคนคนอื่นมาถ่ายรูปไม่มาอยู่ที่ไหนนะอยู่กับแม่อยู่จะเกาะแม่ก็ไม่ได้แม่ก็ไม่ค่อยสเตเบิลเท่าไหร่แต่คิดว่าเรากินอะไรก่อนไปอ่ะดีกว่าเรา
ใช่ มันเอาแบบสแน็คกับเด็กๆน้อยๆไปได้เลยมันมีวอเตอร์ฟอลเส้นให้
Okay, 2 minutes.
No, you're too smart.
2 more minutes. And then we'll close. We'll close the session.
And what the money?
These were like airtight in the one that
This is correct. And here we need to find for answer. Cosine equal to 0. When is cosine equal to 0? When this is, I said, when x equal to 0, when it's on this line, right? So it's when 3 pi over 2 or pi over 2.
Three pi over two or pi over two.
ไม่ทำI want
Okay, this is correct.
What about exam?
This one,
Math?
correct. Correct.
Alhamdulillah, man. Teacher.
Okay, this one again. Okay, yeah, excellent. You 1, 2, 3, okay. Okay, excellent, excellent.
Do
Yeah.
you also get one?
How about three, bro?
What happened to English?
Okay, done?
Teacher,
Okay.
Do I write it in like
I've been called.
should I have to write it in Amazon or
Radian is better, but now we understand that we'll do it. Today we'll do it with radian. Next class we'll start doing it. Today we'll do it with degrees. Next class we'll start doing it with radian.
So cos is 0 at the y-axis, right?
Now I'll move this to the other side, right? And then it
No,
will be
no,
here.
like not moving. Like here it's square, right? Cancel the square. The roots. Roots.
Okay.
Okay.
Teacher
so
can
root-
both sides.
Yeah. So root of 3, root of okay. Root of 4.
Will we get a calculator?
You can use my
Teacher,
It's not the
for
face.
cos to be 0, it has to be on the y-axis.
Oh my
Yes.
god.
Okay.
I got 60. Why did I get 60?
We will drop up with one exercise. Which one do you want? Like you think it was really hard for you? Which one was the hardest?
4.
Question
3.
3.
3.
Okay.
What is it easy?
Can you read the question, please? 2
2 cos
2 cosine
sec theta
2 cosine theta sine, right?
sin theta
Sine theta
equal cos theta.
equal to cosine theta. Okay. Here I cannot divide. Why I cannot divide? Because cosine might be a 0. Can I divide by 0? Can I divide by 0? No. So we cannot divide by a number, okay? So all the time I'll try to move to the other side and factor. Okay. So 2 cosine theta sine theta minus cosine theta equal to 0. What should I do next? Help me out, please. What should I do next?
Separate
Separate. What should I do?
Cost, like factor.
What a factor. Okay. What can I factor? How many terms I have? I have 2 terms. Term 1 and term 2. What is the same in term 1 and term 2?
Cost?
Cosine is the same in term 1 and term 2. So cosine theta is, what's left when I take cosine out? What's left? 2 sine theta minus 1 equal to 0. Okay. Next, what should I do? Usually, when I have time multiplication and equal to 0, what does that mean here? Like when I have two numbers and the answer is 0, what does that mean?
At least one of them is 0.
At least one of them is 0. So maybe the first one is 0 or the second one is 0. Okay? When I have two numbers and the answer is 0 multiplied together, that means maybe the first number is a 0 or the second number is a 0. Okay. So I will. Okay. So it's whether cosine theta equal to 0 or 2 sine theta minus 1 equal to 0. Like one of them should be 0, whether this or this. Okay, sine theta equal to 0. When does cosine equal to 0? Cosine equal to 0 on this line only.
Pi over 2.
So theta for here is going to be pi over 2 or
3 pi.
3 pi over 2. What about this one? 2 sine theta minus 1. I will make sine alone, so move negative 1 to the other side. So 2 sine theta equal to 1, divide by 2 both sides. Sine theta equal to 1 over 2, right? When is sine equal to 1 over 2? Positive. Sine 1 over 2. When it's 30, right? So sine will be positive in which quadrant? 1 and 2, right? 1 and 2 is going to be positive. So how much in the first quadrant, how much is theta? Hello? Quadrant 1, how much is theta going to be? Quadrant 1 for sine equal to half. 30, okay. So sine will be, or x, theta here is going to be 30. Or theta is going to be how much? In the second quadrant, how much is it going to be?
150.
150. How did you find that?
Pi minus 30.
Pi minus 30. So this is for Q2, right? It's going to be 150. Okay? So for today, like we learned how to solve quadratic trigonometric equation only in one period. Okay. Later on, we're gonna do it in more than one period. So, for example, when I drew here, it was one period. Later on, we're gonna continue and see how many answers we'll have. So the answers are gonna multiply. We're gonna have infinite. So all the time in the question, we will have domain. They will give you like, okay, when x from this number to that number, or theta from that number to that number. Okay, thank you everyone.
Thank you.